Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video, I will share with you a few different skincare and hair care items that I got from Amazon. These are actually winter essential products that everyone needs in their lives, and I have bought these after watching a few influencers talk about them, and these products seem to be really nice. So I was really tempted to try all of these out, so I bought them. I have mostly hair care products because I don't really take care of my hair that much, so this time I thought that let me just pay a little bit more attention towards my hair as well, because my hair also deserves all the love and care. So I bought a few hair care products, and along with it I got 2 skincare items. So if you want to see what all I got, please continue watching. So the first thing that I got is this lip balm from Juicy Chemistry. It is their blood orange and rosehip organic lip balm for pigmented lips. I had seen Shreya Jain talk about it, and I had also seen Shalini Mandal. She is another YouTuber based in Bhopal. I really like her content as well. So I also saw her talk about this particular lip balm. So I decided to pick it up. So this lip balm is handmade, and it is also vegetarian, and it's freshly made, and Juicy Chemistry is also a cruelty free brand. So the lip balm comes in this outer cardboard box, and you get this really cute small little tub inside it. It does not have any added colors and no synthetic fragrance oils, which is amazing. So it is sealed. Let me just open it. So this is how the lip balm looks like. It has a very mild orange fragrance, which is very pleasant. It is sweet and tangy like actual oranges. It's very pleasant and mild. I have not used any of the products yet because I just received them and I really wanted to make this video. So I haven't had the chance to use any of it, but I am definitely going to use them and let you know if they worked for me or not. The next thing that I bought is from M Caffeine, and it is their Naked and Rich Cocoa Body Butter. It has cocoa butter with caramel. It has 72 hours moisturization, and this one is also for all skin types. This contains 250 grams product. I'll just open it up really quickly. So this is the outer cardboard box. The product comes in a tub like this. This one smells so delicious. It smells like a jar of chocolate pudding. I love chocolates, so I really like the fragrance of this. It has quite a thick consistency and it feels quite moisturizing as well, but I will have to use this more and I will let you know how this one performs. That was the skincare. Now let's move on to the hair care products that I got. The first thing is a shampoo. So I got this L'Oreal Professional Instant Clear Purifying Anti-Dandruff Shampoo for all hair types. So this is how the bottle looks like. It contains 300 ml product. So during the winter we all have flaky scalp and a little bit of dandruff. So using an anti-dandruff shampoo is a must, and I really like the Professional range from L'Oreal. I have used this product once before and it did clear out all the flaky dead skin from my scalp, and it did make my scalp really fresh and clean. It'll clean your scalp really well and get rid of all the dirt and gunk. So if you're looking for a good clarifying shampoo and if you feel that you have a lot of product build up on your scalp, or if you have dandruff problems, then you can use this product. I think I'm going to use this shampoo once a week, and I think it will really help me clean my scalp and hair really well. Then I also got this hair vitalizer from Indulgio. It comes in a cardboard box like this. So this is an exotic mix of essential oils like rosemary, lavender, tulsi, ginger root and various other rare dry oils infused in distilled lotus extract and witch hazel. It spots hair loss and helps in promoting hair growth. It also significantly improves volume, texture and overall health of hair. This is also organic with no side effects, and it is also non-oily. So this is basically to prevent hair fall and for hair growth. Again, I had got it on Shreya Jain's recommendation. So this is how the actual product looks like. It comes with a dropper and the product comes in this glass bottle. It has quite a strong fragrance. I can definitely smell a little bit of ginger. I also really love the packaging. It has this tropical print all over and I really like the packaging. It feels really luxurious and I can't wait to try this. The next item that I got is from the Earth Collective and this is their hair moisturizer. This is basically a leave-in conditioner or an oil replacement product. It is a deeply nourishing cream that hydrates the hair and keeps it frizz-free. It is enriched with goji berry, which is a superfood for hair, and oat is rich in omega-6 fatty acids, and sunflower rich in omega-9 that helps to eliminate frizz and make hair soft and shiny. I love the packaging of this one as well. Comes in this outer cardboard box which says that it's a vegetarian product, GMP certified, sulfate free, no harmful chemicals, not tested on animals, and it's also paraben free. You get the actual product in here. Also has a pump. I really like the olive green sleek bottle and I hope the actual product will also deeply nourish my hair and will help with the frizz. So this is the last product that I have. It's a heat protectant mist from Toni & Guy. This is a heat protectant spray. I really needed one because the one that I was using was over, and I heat style my hair almost every day or when I am shooting a video. So I really need a nice heat protectant spray. This one was recommended by a lot of different YouTubers and had seen a lot of reviews on this. Then I went ahead and got this one, but sadly I received a damaged product and the spray does not work. So I don't know if I have fixed it wrong or it just wouldn't work. I had tried everything. So I think I will have to return this, or maybe I can just switch the head with some other like spray head that I have lying around, and that way this one will work. I don't know, I'll have to try that, or if that doesn't work then I will have to return this and I'll buy the same product again. Of course, I couldn't try it, but I'm sure this is going to be really nice. So this one is the last thing that I got from Amazon. So that is it. These were all the products that I got for the winter season, and I think all of these are like really useful and essential products, especially all the hair care stuff that I got and the body butter and also the lip balm. All of these items are like essentials, and I can't wait to try all of them, and I will definitely let you know how all the products work. And I will have all the product links in the description box along with links to my social media. So that is it for this video. If you liked it, then I'm sure you will love other videos on my channel. You can check them out right here. It will also mean a lot to me if you could share my videos with your friends and family. That is it for this video. I'm going to see you very soon in my next one. Bye.